Hi everyone, welcome to Math 150 College Algebra. Today we will learn about linear equation and rational equation. Definition. A linear equation in one variable x is an equation that can be written in the form ax plus b equals 0, where a and b are real numbers and a not equal 0. Generating equivalent equation. An equation can be transformed into an equivalent equation by one or more of the following operation. 1. Simplify an expression by removing grouping symbols and combining like terms. 2. Add or subtract the same real number or variable expression on both sides of the equation. 3. Multiply or divide by the same non-zero quantity on both sides of the equation. 4. Interchange the two sides of the equation. Solving a linear equation. 1. Simplify the algebraic expression on each side by removing grouping symbols and combining like terms. 2. Collect all the variable terms on one side and all the numbers or constant terms on the other side. 3. Isolate the variable and solve. 4. Check the proper solution in the original equation. Now look at the example. Solve and check the linear equation. 4x plus 5 equals 29. Remember, we have to put the variable and number separate. Okay, I like to put variable on the left side and the number on the right side. So we move number 5 to the right side. Okay, so now 4x plus 5 minus 5 equal 29 minus 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. Just cancel, becomes 0. So 4x equal 29 minus 5 is 24. Remember, our goal is to find x. I circle x so we can see. Yeah. So we have to divide by 4. Look at the constant in front of the x. Okay. The coefficient is 4x. 4. Yeah. So we have to divide by 4. So 4 divided by 4 become 1. So we have divided by 4 on the right side. Okay. You divide by 4 on the left side. You have to divide by 4 on the right side. So 24 divided by 4 is 6. So x equal 6. We got the answer x equals 6. Now we have to check. Okay, go to the original equation. For x plus 5 equals 29. Replace x with 6. Okay, so 4 times 6 plus 5 equals 29. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 5 equal 29. 24 plus 5 is 29 equal 29. Check. Okay, so the answer is x equal 6. Now, next example. Solve and check. X minus 3 over 4 equal 5 over 14 minus x plus 5 over 7. So we have to find the LCD. Okay, the LCD is 28. So we have to multiply the whole thing by 28. Okay, both sides. Left, you turn by 28. On the right side, you have to turn by 28. So now, 28 times x minus 3 over 4 equal 28 times 5 over 14 minus 28 times x plus 5 over 7. So now we can see, yeah, 28 divided by 4 is 7. Okay, 28 divided by 14 is 2. 28 divided by 7 is 4. Okay, so now we got the answer, yeah? 7 times x minus 3 equal 2 times 5 minus 4 times x plus 5. So next, do the distributive property. 7 times x is 7x minus 7 times 3 is 21 equal 2 times 5 is 10. Now go to the next one. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. Okay, so now we solve now. Yeah, remember this one, like term, combining like term, 10 and negative 20 is like term. So we combine. Yeah, so now the answer, because I just write down over here, 7x minus 21 equal negative 4x plus 10 minus 20. Like terms, right? So now the answer becomes 7x minus 21 equal negative 4x plus 10 minus 20 is negative 10. So minus 10 over there. Okay. So now we put together variable with variable. Yeah. So move negative 4 to the right, to the left side. Negative 4 become positive. Okay. So now become 7x plus 4x minus 21 equal negative 10. Okay. 7 plus 4 is 11x minus 21 equal negative 10. Move the constant to the right side. Yeah. Move the constant to the right side, become positive. Okay. So now 11x equal negative 10 plus 21. Okay, so now the answer is 11x equal negative 10 plus 21 is 11. So remember, our goal is to find x. So that's why we have to divide by 11 on the left side. We have to divide by 11 on the right side. Okay, so 11 divided by 11 is x. 1. So time x equal x, right? 11 divided by 11 is 1. Okay. Now, the answer is x equal 1. So now we have to check. Okay. Go to the original. Yeah, the original is x minus 3 over 4 equal 5 over 14 minus x plus 5 over 7. You just check the x with 1. Yeah. Replace x with 1. Okay, so now we got the answer now. 1 minus 3 is negative 2 over 4, okay, equal 5 over 14 minus 1 plus 5 is 6 over 7. Okay, so now negative 2 over 4, we simplify. Okay, so become the answer is 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we got negative a half on the left side. So now on the right side, the denominator is different, 14 and 7. So we have to put to the same denominator. Is right? So now check 6 over 7 become denominator is 14. So now negative a half equal 5 over 14 minus, okay, 12 over 14. So look at over here, 6 over 7 make become denominator is 14. Yeah, so you times by 2 on the top, you times by 2. So the answer is become 12 over 14. So now, negative a half equal 5 minus 12 is negative 7 over 14. So the answer becomes negative a half equal negative a half. So it's right. Okay. Now, when we solve the equation x minus 3 over 4 equal 5 over 14 minus x plus 5 over 7, we were solving a linear equation with constant in the denominator. So now look at again. Now, a rational equation includes at least one variable. Okay, there is the example, another example, they put variable. Okay, a rational equation includes at least one variable in the denominator. For our next example, we will solve the rational equation. So look at denominator, there is the variable over there. Okay, the first one, the first example here before, there is no variable. Okay, now go look at the next example with variable. Solve 5 over 2x equal 17 over 18 minus 1 over 3x. Okay, first we have to check first. Okay, because remember, denominator cannot be 0. Okay, so there's restriction over here. Okay, we check for restriction on the variable by setting its denominator equal to 0. Look at this one. 2x equals 0. So we have to divide by 2, divide by 2. So x equals 0. So now, to x equals 0. So we have to divide by 3 on the left, divide by 3 on the right side. So it becomes the x equals 0. So the restriction is x equals 0. Now, what next? Look at denominator is different. There's a variable x, that the number is different. So we have to find the LCD. Okay, to find the LCD, the easy one, just look at 2 going to 18, yes. 3 going to 18, yes. So 18 the LCD, because the variable you add with variable x. Okay, the LCD is 18x. Now we have to multiply both sides with 18x. Okay, 18x times 5 over 2x equal 18x times 17 over 18 minus 18x times 1 over 3x. Now look at again over here. Yeah, x 18 divided by 2, the answer is 9. X divided by x is 1. Right? So we can write down 9 times 1 is 9. Yeah, and times 5. So we finish now for the first one. Now go to the next one. 18 divided by 18 is 1. So 1 times x is x times 17. Okay. Now go to the next one. 18 divided by 3 is 6. X divided by x is 1. So 6 times 1 is 6. You can put over here if you want to. Then 1. Okay. So now we solve now. 9 times 5 is 45 equal x times 17 is 17x minus 6. Okay, remember, we have to put, the combining lecture. Okay, remember, variable, number with number. So we move negative 9 to the left side, yeah, because negative change the sign become positive. So 45 plus 6 equal 17x. Okay, 45 plus 6, the answer is 51 equal 17x. Our goal is to find x. So that's why we have to divide by 17, divide by 17. So the answer becomes x equal 3. Okay, because x equal 3, yeah. So this the answer is okay because the restriction is x equals 0. So we got solution. So x equal 3. Now go to the next example. Find all value of x for which y1 equal y2. So they give the equation, yeah, y1 equal 1 over x plus 4 plus 1 over x minus 4. This is y1, this is y2. You can see, yeah? Y2 equal 22 over x squared minus 16. We're going to factor x squared minus 16. We can write that with x plus 4, x minus 4. Okay? So we can sum both sides by x squared minus 16. Okay, so now, but we have to look at the restriction first. Okay, look at denominator. Remember, yeah, cannot be 0. So this is why we have to make restriction about the denominator. Look at again. X plus 4 equals 0. So move to the right side, become negative. So the answer becomes x equal negative 4. The other side, yeah, x minus 4 equals 0. Move negative 4 to the right side. So the answer becomes x equal 4. The restriction value are x negative 4 and x equal 4. So this is the restrictive. Okay, remember that one. Okay, so now go to the next one. So we have to find the LCD, yeah, because the x plus 4, x squared minus 16, yeah, this the if you factor, the answer is x plus 4 times x minus 4. So we time both sides by x plus 4 times x minus 4. Yeah, both sides. So on the left side and on the right side. So we just write down over here. X plus 4 times x minus 4 times the whole parenthesis, yeah, the big parenthesis. 1 over x plus 4 plus 1 over x minus 4 equal x plus 4 times x minus 4 times the whole parenthesis, the big, yeah, parenthesis, 22 over x plus 4 times x minus 4. Now, do the distributive property. Yeah, so the first one, x plus 4 times this one. Okay, look at x plus 4 cancel each other. Okay, so the answer for this one, the left is x minus 4. This y times 1. So the right is x minus 4 times 1. I can put like that. Okay, so now the next one, I give different color so you can see. Yeah, x plus 4 times x minus 4 divided by 1 over x minus 4. Look at this one and that one. So the rest is x plus 4. So x plus 4 times 1. Okay. So now equal x times 4 times x minus 4. Denominator is x times 4, x plus 4 times x minus 4. So they cancel each other. So the answer only, yeah, this is become 1, yeah. So 1 times 22 is 22. So now we can solve now. Yeah, everything times by 1 is the same. Yeah, so become either just either x minus 4 plus x plus 4 equal 22. X plus x is 2x. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. Yeah. So now the answer is 2x equal 22. Our goal is to find x. So we have to divide by 2 on the left side. We have to divide by 2 on the right side. So the answer is x equal 11. Look at 11 is not a restrictive value because restrictive value is 4 and negative 4. So we have solution. X equal 11. So now go to types of equation. Identity, conditional, and inconsistent. Look at definition of the first one, okay? An equation that is true for at least one real number is called a conditional equation. The examples that we have worked so far have been conditional equations. The next one. An equation that is true for all real numbers is called an identity. The next one, an equation that is not true for any real number is called an inconsistent equation. Go to the example. Now, 4x minus 7 equal 4 times x minus 1 plus 3. So we solve it, yeah? So 4x minus 7 equal distributive again. 4 times x is 4x minus 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3. Okay, so after that, combining like term again. Okay, so now the answer is 4x minus 7 equal 4x negative 4 plus 3. The answer is minus 1. So now we just move this one, yeah? So because this is 4x, this is 4x, we can cancel each other. Okay, so the answer is negative 7 equal negative 1. This is right or not? Negative 7 equal negative 1. Is right or not? Of false. The statement is false. Yeah, that's why this is wrong. Okay, because this is the statement is false, so we call inconsistent equation. So there is no solution. Okay, so we're gonna do practice. Okay, again, I will try to make a video for the exercise to get more practice. Okay, so now go to the next one. Example another one. 7x plus 9 equal 9 times x plus 1 minus 2x. So now again, the same, yeah, distributive again. 7x plus 9 equal 9 times x equal 9x plus 9 times 1 equal 9 minus 2x. So now we're going to solve, yeah. So combining like term. 9x and 2x combining later. Okay, 7x plus 9 equal 9 minus 2 is 7x. Yeah, plus 9. So look at this is the same. Yeah, if we cancel this one, it's the same. Yeah, 9 equal 9. The statement is true. It's right. The statement is true. So because the statement is true, yeah. So the solution set for this equation is the set of all real numbers. So this equation we call with identity. Okay, because the statement is true. Okay, so now we finish now for this section. So I will continue for the next video for the practice. Okay, bye-bye.